No, I'm taking a video. Thank you. I don't know if you're looking fine in the vlog, but we'll see. Cheers, fellow. Maybe to अगर मैं क्या cheers कर रही हूँ? पानी का ग्लास साफ वाला कौन सा है? चलो let's do it again. Cheers to the long weekend, है ना?
20 मुश्किल से
क्या 20 होंगे?
मुश्किल से 20 ज़्यादा कल 30 लगे
और आपके रिचा?
Close to 200
हाँ. So daddy is gonna eat first.
already eating
And then my turn.
क्यूट है
तो आज से झाड़ रही है मानिक से मानिक का all the time we're in front of the mirror looking तो करने में उससे लड़कियां ऐसे कौन लड़की
हम we are old Indian हमको टिक्के ना
आपका रोहित बोलेगा कि खाते हुए मत लियो. ले लो. What are you eating, baby? मलाई टिक्का कुलचा.
This is supposed to be naan and dips. नान के ऊपर चटनियाँ डालते हैं और साथ में वो मलाई टिक्का।
नहीं खाली नान क्या खाना. मैं तो जगह का नाम तो बता दो.
लोहा metal any of you getting dessert? We are getting one to share. What? As per Richard
As
request. गुलाब जामुन अब मुझे ये नहीं पता कि 3 बाइट आएंगी नहीं
3 नहीं, 1 बाइट तो मैं भी खा लूंगी यार. 4 बाइट.
5 बाइट मेरा बच्चा तुम्हारे हक की छीन सकता है
So we're back home now.
ये
ये की क्या बात है?
क्यों घर पे आके अच्छा लगता है
Sipping on some green tea.
या तुलसी ग्रीन टी हेल्दी
So how was your experience?
बढ़िया था हमने तो दबा के खाया
क्या खाया?
हमने खाया मलाई टिक्का चिकन मलाई टिक्का then we ate some crystal prawns
I think starters काफी खाए हैं, है ना?
हाँ फिर हमने
So I am a pescatarian, तो मैंने नहीं खाया कुछ भी pretty much. ये non-veg वाले starters में से.
मित्र ने बस पनीर टिक्का खाया पनीर जाफरानी एंड देन हमने और क्या खाया पनीर चिकन मलाई टिक्का प्रॉन्स वी एट घी lamb ghee roast which was okay then chili chicken and then there was another one yeah I think that's pretty much yes itna kafi tha
But the quantity was like the portion size was pretty small.
Small, yeah.
So ऐसा नहीं था कि even though we ordered quite a few things, it's not like, you know, the quantity was a lot.
yeah हमको थोड़ा चाहिए था ज़्यादा बल्क
बल्क की बात नहीं है, but
हाँ
because it was 3 of you sharing like non-veg, I wasn't. Like in that setting, it wasn't like a sharing sort of thing. It was
Correct.
like one person can only eat one starter sort of thing.
yeah true that
So, what's rest of your plans for the weekend?
कुछ नहीं चल रहा है जो बॉस, ये जो बॉस बैठी है साथ में, वो जो बोलेगी हम वो कर लेंगे। आप बताइए क्या प्लान है आपका, आप बताओ।
Right now we're going for a satsang and today is Anzac Day, so most of the shops I think were closed this morning. After that we plan to go to the mall, but I'll quickly check online first that the shops are open when we do go. Yeah, that's the plan for today. Our weekend has just started. This is the first day of the weekend. It's Saturday. Yesterday we had a nice dinner with friends, and yeah, seems like a full-on weekend for us because every day we've planned certain activities. Like tomorrow we'll be going to badminton. This morning Rohit went for tennis. What are you saying, Atharvu? ये ड्राइव कितनी ब्यूटीफुल लग रही है ना,
क्या?
ट्रीज साथ में. So the trees are changing color. They're turning into red. Autumn actually beautiful लगता है कैनबरा में, है ना?
हाँ, अभी तो स्टार्ट हुआ है तो अभी
हाँ.
और अच्छे से
बट ये वाली जो रोड है जिसमें बोथ साइड्स पे डेंस थोड़े से ट्रीज है ना, काफी बार तो ऐसे ट्रीज होते हैं जिनमें लाइक जैसे वो वाले ट्रीज जो है वहाँ पे उसमें लीव्स भी नहीं है, तो उनमें इतना वो वाइब नहीं आती जो ये ऐसे ग्रीन वाले जो रेड हो रहे हैं. वर्सेस काफी अभी ग्रीन भी है, तो हाँ यू राइट, अभी स्टार्ट हो रहा है ऑटम.
नहीं नहीं, रोना नहीं है, रोना नहीं है, रोना बिल्कुल नहीं है मेरी जानू, मेरा बेबू, मेरा छोटू. आप मम्मी को देखो, मम्मी देखो क्या कर रही है, मम्मी लगी हुई है. मम्मी को देखो, आप मम्मी से बात करो. हाँ जी, हेलो, हाँ जी.
So these are like new parent struggles where we had to stop our car before reaching the destination because Athar was cranky. Now we're trying to soothe him. It's pretty busy in the mall. Rohit has gone into his first location, shopping. And here's my Atharvu, my cutie city. And then there's me, just chilling. What's our next location, baby?
जान आपको ही करनी है शॉपिंग, हम तो बस टाइम पास के लिए आते हैं.
अच्छा जी.
हम तो यहाँ पे बस बैठ रहे हैं और
अच्छा, बैठ रहे?
वॉक करने आते हैं और बैठने आते हैं.
अच्छा, गैस चलते हैं. ये रहा.
जाओ आप चलते हैं, यू लीड द वे.
अच्छा जी, okay. I'll lead the way. Athar and Mama are waiting outside the trial room while Daddy goes and tries some clothes. How are you feeling, Athar? Are you enjoying waiting for Dad? Are you enjoying, baby? Are you bored or are you enjoying? So today is Anzac Day and we're at the mall and I saw this display and I thought we might as well share what Anzac Day is all about with you guys as well. So
हाँ,
could you
Anzac Day-
tell us a bit about
So
what
this-
Anzac Day is about?
It's like remembering the people who
Served
Australia
in the
have
war.
lost- who Australia have lost during the wars and all. Australia, New Zealand, and Tonga. It's for the. So Nitya, what all shopping did you do?
Just a little bit shopping.
Oh wow! Is it all for yourself or for? Oh, all for yourself. That's good. All right, let's go home. It's been a long day for us.
Atharv's dad did a last shopping run for Atharv, and
We got some white t-shirt and a pair of
shorts.
shorts. And we got this complimentary bag. from Polo.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah.
Shall we head off home?
Yes, let's do that.
Okay. Good morning. It's day 2 of our long weekend, and we're off to play badminton. सुबह के 5 बजे बैडमिंटन खेलने जा रहे हैं. सुबह कितने बजे?
11 बज रहे अभी. तो सुबह के 5 बजे उठेंगे.
Just jokes.
Just jokes. It was a PJ.
अच्छा. क्यों तू कल गया था? You
Yeah.
went at 7 o'clock ना?
7 is still better.
हाँ, तभी तो मैंने अपना 5 o'clock बोला. To show my dedication. और what's the plan for rest of your day, baby?
कुछ नहीं है अभी तो बैडमिंटन खेल रहे हैं. फिर जो तो घुमाएंगे हम वैसे घूम लेंगे.
अच्छा.
छोटी टोकरी पे नचाएगी तुम्हें.
चलो, we'll take you guys along. Mr. Rohit has taken some wrong turns. पहुंचने के बाद भी हमें कैसे लेट कराना है, ये कोई रोहित से सीखो.
और कैसे असुरों की तरह हंसना है वो नित्य से सीखो.
दिल खोल के हंसना चाहिए यार. है कि नहीं?
असुर.
अच्छा. देवी बोल, देवी.
देवी कुल में पैदा हुई असुर है तू.
No, I am
और
a devi.
मैं असुर कुल में पैदा देव हूँ.
No, I am a devi. और बेबी, रैकेट रख दिए थे या नहीं?
हाँ रैकेट पड़े हैं भाई.
शटलकॉक है या नहीं?
जान शटलकॉक तो मिल जाती है. अब तो 3 लोग होते हैं शटलकॉक वाले.
अच्छा.
अभी लाया शटलकॉक. क्या बातें तेरी. मेरी बातें. बड़ा पाव खाते.
हाय गाइस. सुबह 5 बजे उठ के कैसा लग रहा है बॉयज?
ओ हाँ जी सॉरी. कहाँ
5 बजे उठ के कैसा लग रहा है?
5 बजे.
हाँ, हम बैडमिंटन खेलने आए हैं 5 बजे. I've just started. इसी लॉन्ग वीकेंड का बनाना शुरू करा.
कल रोहित भी कह रहा था कि I have to start a vlog.
हाँ, मैंने
सही है.
That's the court. We're setting up a third. That was a good shot.
भूख लग रही है.
It's really sweet, Myra. Thank you. So we've got 2 friends here, Myra and Atharv. And Atharv is very fascinated with everything Myra is doing, है ना? Chalo, let's get started with singles, है ना? The boys are playing here and we're gonna play in the first court there.
Oh yeah, Nitya, what are we doing now?
So we've just finished our baggy session. and the baddies were the girls.
Oh wow.
Yeah, and the goodies were the boys.
Boys, yeah.
And obviously,
We had a lovely session. We won all the games. Dimpy and me.
हाँ वैसे बात सही है.
actually did
Yeah,
win
they actually
majority
won all
of
the games.
So good on them.
Brandon is a good teacher
Haan,
He's teaching us a
he
lot.
teaches us a lot. So well done.
How to do
Bhaiya.
jogging also.
I'm sure Myra has recorded वो भैया के वो जो वो वाले वो होते हैं ना ज्ञान बीच में. And
And what are we going to do the
rest
next
of
1-2
the
days?
what are our
Firstly, we are
plans for
going
the
to have something, our tummy first.
priorities set
We'll
yaar.
sleep till 10 a.m. tomorrow.
Oh my God.
Because it's a
really?
public holiday.
सही है, सही
आज
है.
5 बजे से उठ गए.
Oh, really?
Just a joke. So we started at 11, but yeah.
So-
Had fun.
Enjoyed our session.
And now we're planning for the next one. We'll
Now
take
we are
you
going
guys
to
along.
now we are going to Crispy Kulcha to have Amritsari Kulcha. Yeah, and we'll have
Yeah, more calories.
अच्छा, we've never been tried.
कहाँ से
Crispy kulcha.
कहाँ का?
It's in Bruce.
रोहन सच में जाना चाह रहा है.
Oh, really?
क्रिस्पी कुलचा?
Crispy Kulcha and sweets. Amritsari है.
नहीं नहीं हमने नहीं खाया. कौन सी कहाँ मिलता है?
ये पहली बार सुन रहे हैं.
नहीं, हम तो
ये सामने है बिल्कुल.
जगह का नाम क्या है?
Crispy kulcha.
क्रिस्पी कुलचा नाम है. ओह वाह.
रोहित ने सुन के ही खा लिया. Enjoy कर लिया.
चलो.
About to reach there.
अच्छा.
Hello.
Hello, what's up? How's it going, guys?
What have we got?
We've got a bouncing chair for our baby Athar.
So how many options were there? And
So
then
this one, it says you can make it a bouncer, then you can make it a rocking chair, and then you can then make it a chair as well later down the track. So yeah, it's a versatile chair, and we thought we want something that gets used for a longer time. So yeah, I think there were expensive options as well. And there was a chair that can take up to 60 kgs of a baby's weight. But I thought if a baby is 60 kgs old, he's no longer a baby. He will be able to sit in a normal chair.
yes.
So yeah, I was like, let's do some smart shopping and buy something that is useful and has a meaning to it or intent to it. So yeah. What else?
I think we'll let you assemble
Oh,
it.
thank you very much. So nice of you.
We'll let you assemble it
Yeah.
and then we can show everyone else
Oh,
later.
definitely. We'll do that. Stay tuned, guys. We'll be back with a bang. Hi, guys. देखो हमने कर दिया है इसे assemble. अब हमारा राजा बेटा इस पे बैठेगा and थोड़ा झूलेगा. Oh, wow.
Hi, Shuna.
Hello.
So we're gonna try some collagen shots, which Pragati is making. Which flavor are we trying? The watermelon. This is
Strawberry and watermelon.
Let's see how we go.
ये यार इसकी ना मैंने इसका इतना एक्यूरेट है ये क्या है इंस्टा
No, I'm just doing a video.
अच्छा ओके वीडियो बन रहा है क्या
हाँ. The video is already started. But whatever you're saying, isn't it?
there you go there are the shots ये लो just okay there you go cheers guys to beautiful
this thing or it's in this building's car park over there. You walk near the car.
Yummy, no?
Exactly what number it's
Tasty?
गाड़ी के साथ में
I told you this is something I can have every day
It's actually good.
it
Yeah.
is really good it's really tasty
Yeah.
and now you should try the next one the green
Very light also.
which is even more healthy let's go
और गाड़ी Bluetooth से
But is it because you've put a lot of water in it?
toll service.
So it's like
it's got a diluted thingy, but it's got its ratio. So I think
Acha,
it's
acha,
1
theek hai.
teaspoon to something. It's got a ratio bottle as well. That's their fun. We just the pink one, the one that we have.
Well, the brand isn't sponsoring us just yet.
Yes.
So we're not going to show the brand.
Yo, yes.
And let's see what the boys are doing.
मंदिर में
Boys are chit-chatting.
बहुत सुंदर है।
We've just had the satsang.
थोड़े बड़े होते हैं जेटिंग होते हैं मतलब बड़ा
Jai Guru Ji.
मैंने मिस किया क्या जेटिंग आइलैंड जेटिंग
I've been there
तो वो एक पहाड़ है
with my family.
5 होटल हैं और अम्यूजमेंट पार्क है इंडोर
हाँ, नहीं वहाँ पे एक वो कैसीनो भी है शायद. हाँ हाँ.
और ऊपर जाते हो मंदिर वगैरह भी है उधर बहुत सुंदर है।
ये जो बेबी खाता और ये भगवान जी की पूजा के
Look at this cutie. Hi cutie. Hi cutie. That's Coco. Babu.
गोल्ड और लैंड साउथ इंडियंस की इंडिया में
The green shot now.
Yes, the next round.
I doubt this is going to be the tasty one.
You gotta try. Never say no before you try.
Yes, yes. Never say never. So let's try.
Next time हम इसे बाहर के ट्रेंड में बनाएंगे.
ठीक है. Is this my baby? हाँ, my baby is crying. एक और शॉट ट्राई कर रहे हैं.
Who else wants to try a green one?
ट्राई करने में भी.
लगे मेरे green की.
क्यों?
Alright, थोड़ा ज़्यादा बन गया.
अच्छा.
कोई बात नहीं. Alright. रीमा, आ जाओ. You wanna try green shot? Green वाला try करना?
ये ज्यादा अच्छा है.
ये ज़्यादा healthy है.
पता नहीं.
Thank you. Okay. Cheers.
Cheers, girls. Actually, not bad.
This is green.
सबसे अच्छा रिएक्शन तो आपने दिया. बहुत अच्छा है ना.